In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your NerdWallet account if you've forgotten your password. Let's go through the step-by-step process together to help you access your account smoothly once more. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Type NerdWallet sign in into the search bar. Once you see the search results come up, your goal is to find the official NerdWallet login page. To do this, click on the link that says NerdWallet Finance Smarter, which should be near the top of your search results. This direct link will take you to the main NerdWallet page. Once you're on the NerdWallet homepage, look towards the upper part of the screen to find the login or sign in section. You might see a button or a link highlighted, so go ahead and click on that. It's usually prominently displayed to make it easy for users to find. This will direct you to the login page where you can sign into your account. Now on the login page, there should be an option underneath the password entry field that says Forgot your password. If you're struggling to remember your password, this is the link you need to click on. It's there to ensure you can reset your password and regain access to your account without hassle. After clicking on Forgot your password, you'll be taken to a page where you're prompted to enter your registered email address. Make sure you type in the email address associated with your NerdWallet account accurately, as this is crucial for receiving the reset mail. Once you've entered your email, look for the button that says Send Reset Email. This button is your gateway to recovering your account. Click on it, and a reset link will soon be on its way to your inbox. It's important to check your spam or junk folders if you don't see the email in your main inbox within a few minutes. This email will contain a direct link or further instructions to help you reset your password securely. Follow the instructions within that email, set a new password, and with that, you're ready to log back into your NerdWallet account. Remember to choose a strong password, mixing uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure your account remains secure. It's always a good practice to update your passwords periodically. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, recovering your NerdWallet account should be a breeze. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe if you found this guide helpful. Happy financial planning with NerdWallet!